Attorney, after submitting the renewed request for the interim release of the former President Rodrigo Duterte, what is the expected timeline for the pretrial chamber to issue its decision?
Well, it's customary that the chambers rule on such requests as quickly as possible. So we anticipate within a week or two, we should have a decision.
Based on ICC practice, attorney, are there specific procedural rules and guides how quickly such requests should be resolved?
Well, they should be resolved. The statutory framework requires that requests for interim release are resolved as soon as possible.
Attorney, regarding your motion to defer adjudication of the jurisdictional challenge, it is correct that the pretrial chamber must first decide on the interim release request before the turning to jurisdiction. Is that what we are aiming for here?
Well, I don't think the sequencing is quite correct there. The chamber can decide on jurisdiction at any stage, even up until the end of the confirmation of charges hearing. We believe that it should be decided earlier, but as you know, we made the request a long time ago, and we're still awaiting a decision on that particular matter. Interim release, however, is a different matter entirely, and the judges normally decide on that type of thing as soon as possible.
So, attorney, it is possible, just to make it clearer, that on jurisdiction, it is possible that the decision on jurisdiction could only come after the confirmation of charges hearing.
At the end of the confirmation of charges hearing, it's possible. However, I believe that the decision on the jurisdictional challenge will be earlier. Interim release, I believe that should be within a few weeks.
Does that affect the strategy of the defense?
Not really. We hope that the former president will be released. We believe he should be released, and we hope that it will happen.
Attorney, if the court ultimately decides not to proceed to trial, what happens to the unresolved motions, such as those jurisdictional challenge or interim release? Will they simply be moot or academic?
They will be moot and academic, yes, exactly. I mean, if the case doesn't go to trial, it's because there isn't enough evidence to satisfy the substantial grounds to satisfy the court that the former president committed crimes. So there's no case to answer, as it were.